Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mandy here. Yes, as you can see from the title of the video, this video is about soldering. As a beginner in soldering, I want to show you the most important tips. Like right now, that wire I'm connecting, if assuming that I am going to connect this wire to something, I have to apply the lead, soldering the lead to the wire. So I've connected the soldering iron to electricity and it's very hot, so I waited for a while. Then after it was very hot enough to melt the lead, I had to use the tip of the lead to touch the tip of the soldering iron to touch the lead. It melted, then I had to you have to like touch it, scrub it into the wire. It was actually coming in, but I just wanted to, for the sake of the video, for the lead to be so evident, so that you can actually see it very well. And unfortunately I didn't zoom my phone very well for this workshop, because the beauty of this is when you are seeing it, but if you look very well, you see that lead. There's a lead, the lead is showing on it. So I now connected a transistor. I want to connect I think a capacitor to that transistor, just to show you how the power of soldering. So if you put the lead on the tip of this capacitor, or any this the very wire that the capacitor I'm holding is one of the head of the capacitor. So once you apply lead, just like I've told you, you ground it in the wire in the beginning, and use lead to connect the two components together. So what I did there, I had to apply the lead into the capacitor, because the transistor already had lead on it. I just wanted to clean it so it would look neat for the camera and for my sanity, because that was one of the projects that I have done when I was not with my boss. So after applying the lead, then after you have confirmed that you have applied the lead very well, then you go to that transistor and touch the two, because that transistor, remember that transistor also has lead on it with legs. So you get there, it's a process, guys. Normally people that are more experienced, they just take a second to apply this lead. I mean that we are all learners and we are practicing together. So the project is not really perfect the way it's supposed to be. Right now is to get the end result of the day. Example, now the capacitor and the transistor have all had their legs have lead in them. So you now just apply that lead. The only thing is you need to carry water up and down. Remember the two legs of these components have lead already. So what I did is that I just took a soldering iron and melted down one. Voila, it is connected and it's not falling out. The power of science, guys.